फिल्म है द कश्मीर फाइल्स, इसने एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया है पहली बार विश्व के इतिहास में।
मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं किसी चीज में वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तोड़ूंगी, लेकिन मैंने तोड़ दिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनते देखना अपने आंखों के सामने बड़ी बात है, वो भी जलेबी का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड।
मेरी कंपनी कैलबे वाटर एंड सोडा ने इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में अपना नाम दर्ज कर लिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड की हैट्रिक बना के अपना नाम इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स दर्ज करवा जा रही है।
Hi, my name is Gaurav Kumar. I'm the father of AAMISH VERMA. AAMISH is 5-year-old and currently studying in pre-primary 2 class. I remember the first time when we gave him the Rubik's Cube. It was just a toy for us and for him as well. Actually, he chose the Rubik's Cube. There were a lot of toys and he only chose the Rubik's Cube. And it's been 7 months since he has been playing with a lot of Rubik's Cube. And now we have seen that he has been able to solve a Rubik's Cube. The last I remember that he has solved a Rubik's Cube in the month of December 2023, and in very less time he has been able to solve it in seconds now. And his last attempt is of 15 seconds, which is amazing. And I mean, we as parents, we are really proud of him, and he's been doing good. Yes. So thank you.